Hi, I'm Heather. I'm the park manager here at Weald Country Park. I'm going to explain a bit about what we're going to do at the park over the next few years to restore and maintain it for the future. Weald is about 520 acres, a very large park. It has woodlands, parkland, also we have wildflower meadows, hay meadows and beautiful lakes as well. It is also very well known for its fallow deer park and of course the Stickman Trail. It's great to manage an historic garden with so many links to the past. It was first managed about 700 years ago as a deer park under the ownership of Waltham Abbey. Weald has a variety of habitats here with a varied amount of flora and fauna, including heath dog violets, spotted orchids and beautiful native bluebells. Weald has nearly 200 veteran trees and is in the top 20 sites for beetles. We have a lot of wildlife here, including 10 types of bats, butterflies, insects, birds and amphibians. Weald is one of the Essex country parks that is benefiting from government's stewardship funding, and that will help us to future-proof the park. This will enable us to do a planned programme of work overseen by ecologists and approved by Natural England. Some of the work at Weald will be opening up some of the woodland area. This will increase the light and so different plants and insects will be attracted to that area. Additionally, there's going to be work to help maintain the health of the woodland. This will be removing invasive species and some of the plantation trees as well. This will help the structure of the woodland going forward. We'll also be increasing our good quality grassland and wetland. This will help the insects and amphibians. We're going to increase the area of land that we graze with the red poll cattle, who are known for their quiet nature. This will be in the grassland area and also the woodland pasture. To enable this, we're having new fencing put up. The cows grazing helps the wildflowers to flourish, which in turn helps to increase the variety of insects and pollinators. Additionally, it controls the growth of the bracken. The work we're doing at Weald is just a small part of a bigger effort to encourage native and rare species back onto the land, to help improve the habitat for native species and the land going forward. Thank you for listening, and why not visit Weald Country Park for yourself and see all that we have to offer.